Red! Nicket line! Jump! Red! Bagal! Jump! Red! तीन में दाएं चलेगा दाएं दे मुड़
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we now witness this disciplined and dignified march past parade, a proud display of unity, commitment, and service. Leading the parade with command and precision is the parade commander. The parade commander, first Deputy Superintendent of Police Security, Said Faris Hussain Shah. He is ably assisted by the second parade commander, Inspector Haji Muhammad Nisar. Their leadership sets the tone for this impressive parade.
Observe the absolute synchronization of their movement. It is as if a single mind is governing 100 bodies. Their lines are perfectly parallel, their spacing is consistent to the inch, and their arms swing in a unified arc that cuts through the air with surgical precision.
Leading the parade commander first, Deputy Superintendent of Police Said Faris Hussain Shah. उनके ठीक पीछे सेकंड इन कमांड इंस्पेक्टर हाजी मोहम्मद निसार सलामी मंच के सामने से गुजरते हुए
This is not just a march, it is a display of living geometry. Notice how the sunlight reflects off their polished gear in perfect unison, a testament to the hours of grueling practice on the parade grounds.
जनाब पुलिसमैन कंटेंजेंट इस समय सलामी मंच के सामने से गुजर रहे हैं जिनकी क़यादत सब इंस्पेक्टर विलायत अली कर रहे हैं. Following them in the Ladakh Police female contingent, reflecting strict discipline and empowerment. The first female contingent, headed by Inspector Ruzam Shozum, followed by the second female contingent, under the command of Constable Stanzin Palke. Next in line is the ex-serviceman contingent, a proud reminder of selfless service and sacrifice for the nation. This contingent is led by Muhammad Qasim, ex-Havaldar. हमारे साबित फौजियों का ये दस्ता मोहम्मद कासिम ex-हवलदार के नेतृत्व में इस समय सलामी मंच के सामने से गुजरते हुए उनके ठीक पीछे है एनसीसी का प्लाटून गवर्नमेंट हाई सेकेंडरी स्कूल बरूल की जानिब से जो कि बहुत ही बेहतरीन अंदाज में बाजुओं को हवा में लहराते हुए कदम से कदम मिलाते हुए सलामी मंच के सामने से गुजर रहे हैं. कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम के ये कौम पे लुटाए जा. बहुत ही अच्छा प्रदर्शन एनसीसी ग्रुप फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट हाई स्कूल पर.
Marching forward is the Boys High Secondary School Kargil contingent, displaying excellent coordination and pride. The contingent is led by Mr. Zahid Ali, with Mr. Shoaib Hassan serving as the flag commander. Look closely at the depth and frontage of this formation, and a single shoulder is out of alignment.
बॉयज हाई सेकेंडरी के ठीक पीछे सुरू वैली पब्लिक स्कूल करगिल का ये प्लाटून जुल्फिकार अली और मोहम्मद इरफान की क़यादत में बाजुओं को हवा में लहराते हुए एक मुनज़्ज़म तरीके से सलामी मंच के सामने से गुजर रहे हैं. सुरू वैली पब्लिक स्कूल करगिल led by Zulfiqar Ali with Muhammad Irfan is the fleet commander.
Following them proudly is the PM Shri High School Poem contingent, led by Mr. Muzammil Ali, with Hassan al-Askari as their flag commander. They represent perfect discipline, They represent a beautiful strive and pride for the nation.
Twin के बाद PM Shri High School Lamkor का platoon under the leadership of Muntazir Mehdi with Raouf Kharpa as the fleet commander.
Their discipline is their armor and their formation is a flawless grid of dedication. They move as a solid block of steel, showing us that when individuals align their purpose, they become an unstoppable force of nature.
Next contingent, MPS High Department Gurbatham contingent showcasing discipline and unity. The contingent is led by Zahir Abbas with Muhammad Abdullah as the fleet commander.
Their pace is unwavering, their energy is infectious, and their spirit is visible in the proud tilt of their chins.
Skipchi पीछे सलाम पब्लिक स्कूल भरूच की कंटिंजेंट मुनव्वर हुसैन और ज़ीशान अली की क़यादत में इस समय सलामी मंच के सामने से गुजर रहे हैं.
They don't just walk, they command the very ground they stand upon with every rhythmic stride. Listen carefully to the symphony of their boots.
सवाब पब्लिक स्कूल भरूच के बाद मुतहरिम पब्लिक स्कूल भरूच महबूब अली और मुंतज़िर हुसैन की क़यादत में इस समय सलामी मंच के सामने से गुजरते हुए.
The swing of their arms is high and assertive, slicing the air with a confidence that can only be earned through sweat and sacrifice. As they pass the saluting base, feel the vibration of their collective strength. This is the sound of disciplined force, moving in harmony towards a shared vision of excellence.
Bringing up the parade is the JK Northern contingent, marching with great spirit and precision. The contingent is led by Muhammad Ali with Kumail Ali as the fleet commander.
Carrying the weight of a glorious history on their shoulders, this contingent marches with grace of the veterans and fire of youth.
उनके ठीक पीछे लद्दाख पुलिस बैंड पार्टी led by Muhammad Ubaidullah